Hey everyone, this is a really quick walkthrough on how to create a bookmark. Students, you will need to put these bookmarks up so that it's really quick and easy, fast for you to get started this fall. So here we go. You want to open up Google Chrome. You can also use Safari. Google Chrome is the recommended web browser. And in there, first website that we are going to go to is the Mountain View website for students. So I'm going to type in mountainview.es.pwcs.edu. And once I'm there, I'll show you under students the icon at the top. And for those students that are watching, notice that I have group back here. I brought him home from my office, so he's going to be joining us this fall, and I can't wait to see you all. We've missed you. Okay, so back to bookmarks. We have posted the links here on the Mountain View website, and you can certainly just bookmark this site. However, then that would be 2 clicks, one to get here and then one to get to Canvas or whatever you need. I'm going to go ahead and bookmark this though, just so that I have it for other things in case I have to reset my password or how to create a strong password. You can look at that. My name for this is Students for Mountain View, and that's going to take up a lot of room, so I am going to edit this and type in MVES. And I want it in my bookmark bar. If that's not showing, you can click on this down arrow and then choose it, okay, and then click Done. The first website that we are going to bookmark besides the Mountain View website is Canvas. And you can either right-click on this and open in a new link, or you can type in the actual website, which is canvas.pwcs.edu. You will want to go ahead and log into that. The next one, I'm going to go back to my Mountain View site. The next one that you want to bookmark is Clever, so I'll right-click on that and open in a new tab. Notice they're just opening up at the top. And the website for that is clever.pwcs.edu. You can log in there. You use your same Mountain View, your PWCS username, password, and log in. Remember, the first time you log in, you have to put the entire email address. After that, you only need to put your username. So I'm going to go back to Mountain View, and then the last one that we're going to do is Office 365. Right-click, open in a new tab, and then you can log in there as well. Clever. I don't think we bookmarked this, so I'm going to go back to Clever. Clever login. I want it on my bookmark bar. I'm going to say Done, and then go to my Office 365 account and do that. Sign into your account. It doesn't really tell me what that is, so I'm going to change that to Office 365. And my keyboard is having an issue here. There we go. So, click on Done. So when you get finished doing that, you'll notice that I can't see my bookmark bar. I'm going to hit Alt-F, or you can go up to the top right-hand corner and move this out of the move my little screen out of the way, and go to Bookmarks and Show Bookmark Bar, and that will bring up this whole thing of bookmark bars, all your links. So your links will be there when you bring up your bookmark bar. If you have any questions, you know where to reach me.